How's that?
That was still just weird. You.
What?
I could see your back.
Where? Here, you can have it. Oh. I was like, where the heck did you go? I thought you were all the way back.
Oh, I was pressing F. I've been playing Unturned for the past day, like 2 days. I was like,
Yeah.
why isn't it picking it up?
I just mistake that anyway.
I just do it like that anyway. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? I'll beat you senseless. Boy! You guys are going down. You guys are just scared of me. That's why you're attacking me.
Hiding in the tree.
They're hiding in the trees.
Damn the tree.
In math class, they're hiding in the trees. Where's the hunter at?
Oh my god. So hilarious.
I have no idea what just happened, so I can't say it's hilarious. Derp face. Where is this hunter?
Dead. Because it tried to jump onto you.
It's
but jumped
dead?
No! Jumped over you into the water.
When your brain is just mush.
Because I just hear Hunter, and then I just see him fly over.
Killed it! I'm ready. Ready as possibly can be. I'm ready. Oh, hey, incendiary ammo.
Hold up.
I can actually use it this time. Sit down!
I didn't set off a forest fire.
There's 2 of you! Why are you doing this? Huh? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this, huh? Huh?
And you wanna know what I heard?
Why are you doing this?
I just heard a zombie go,
I don't know if I should help or not. That was just... Oh, dude, pills. Hey, Quinn, what health you at?
97.
Assemble in the safe room.
I'm at 92.
Good. I'm gonna crush some skulls with a frying pan.
Francis, check your... Well, shit, that was alright.
Wow! Get some double kills, Bella!
Jesus.
Yeah, that's right!
They were all melee kills.
Yeah, Bella! You feel that? That's the blood rushing to your blood, baby! The blood
I'm like
rushing.
one of those demons from, what's this movie? You like Ash? Hey, Bill.
Ash, the movie Ash!
Ash vs. Evil Dead.
That's a TV show, not a movie. You make me so sick. Meanwhile, there's this guy. Jesus Christ.
You're smoking a cigarette, that's so bad for the health.
Shut up!
And the environment,
The cancer doesn't go to me. It goes to you. Boop. Oh, you killed it before I could land on him.
I didn't kill it.
Oh, then I killed it when I landed on him. In TA.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Thanks for the chainsaw, Ben.
I don't care. I have an axe. Somebody's dying.
Lewis.
And I really could care less. That charger sucks. Wanna go down, huh? Wanna throw down? I will, I will, Mario, Watch out! Did I hit it? Yeah, I hit it. Charger. Huh, will you sit? Hey! Who's that trying to escape? Huh? Are you guys like dealing with a tank right now?
Nope. I was just taking adrenaline.
Well, there is a tank. I don't know where it is. Never mind! Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? You scared of me?
Then do you realize that
Shut up! There's a zombie.
would have been full of zombies?
Talk louder, you're quiet.
Ah!
Puberty scream.
I'm gonna voice act as a zombie.
I smell fear.
I'm
Shh! Wait, quiet!
a
Shut up!
pterodactyl.
Wait, no, wait. I smell fear. Oh, I fell the wrong way. Hold on.
I'm a pterodactyl.
Let's get up that ladder. Roger that.
I just started falling down.
I'm on the trail. There's a zombie nearby.
I smell a wild zombie. That's just
Oh. Safe house. Wait. I smell a zombie.
stayed out
It's
the
fat.
way.
Oh, and I see a spitting fang. Where are you?
Like run it down. Oh, here they are.
Watch out. You all's gonna die. Like a machine gun. Ta-da! Oh, I missed the safe room. Hey!
Well, shit.
Dang, wait, how did you three get in? I thought